If you're a student or a full-time employee or just working in Germany, in most cases you have your single account in which your salary comes. You go to the supermarket, you buy stuff, you use that account, and then the rest of the money you keep as your savings in your bank account. I did the same thing when I came to Germany. As a student, I had a blocked account. I used whatever I needed. The rest of the money was in my account. After that, when I got a student job, I was doing the same thing. The money was in my account. I was using it for my expenses, and then the rest of the money was always in my account. Later on, when I got a full-time job, I did again the same thing, used my same bank account, used my expenses, and the rest of the money was in my bank account, and that was my saving all the time. I sent some money back home, bought some savings bonds there, but that wasn't enough as the gains were not that much, and I kept most of my savings in my bank account. As most of you might know that in Germany there's almost no interest rate, and the money in the bank account is just lying there and it's being devalued because of inflation. In Germany there's approximately 2% inflation rate per year, meaning that your money loses 2% of its buying value every year. It's always good to have certain cash ready at hand. However, if you keep all of your money as cash, it's losing its value every year. And like all of the rich people out there, they are making their money work for them instead of the other way around, instead of keeping it in the bank and losing its value. And as this past year has taught us, we need to have multiple sources of income in order to have some stability in our lives.